If you are someone who loves experimenting with Linux distributions, managing software efficiently, and keeping your system organized without spending hours in the terminal, then LinuxHub Prime v3.1.8, also known as Prime Manager, is a project worth taking a closer look at. Linux has always been famous for flexibility, customization, and freedom, but that freedom can sometimes come with complexity. Different distributions use different package managers, software formats, repositories, and configuration methods. For beginners, and even experienced users who manage multiple systems, having a centralized tool that makes everyday Linux management easier can be incredibly useful. This is where LinuxHub Prime v3.1.8 enters the conversation, offering an interesting approach to managing the Linux experience through a more accessible and organized interface. At its core, Prime Manager is designed around the idea that Linux software and system management should not always require remembering complicated commands or searching through multiple websites for the correct installation instructions. Instead, the goal is to provide users with a convenient management environment where they can discover, install, update, and potentially organize applications and system components from a single place. This approach is especially appealing to people who are coming from Windows or Mac OS and are used to centralized software stores. Rather than making users feel like they need to become command line experts before they can properly manage their computer, a tool like Prime Manager attempts to bring some of that simplicity into the Linux ecosystem. One of the most interesting aspects of LinuxHub Prime is the concept behind its name. The word prime suggests a central or primary management layer, while the manager concept points toward controlling different parts of the Linux software experience from one location. In a Linux world where applications can arrive through traditional repositories, Flatpak, AppImage, Snap, source code, or distribution-specific packages, a centralized manager can potentially reduce confusion. Users often face questions such as which package format they should choose, whether a particular application is compatible with their distribution, or whether they are installing the latest stable version. A modern management tool can help simplify these decisions by presenting information in a more understandable way. The v3.1.8 release is particularly interesting because version updates often reveal how a project is evolving. Software managers need to be reliable because they interact directly with important parts of the operating system. A small bug in an application manager can create installation problems, broken dependencies, or confusing error messages. Therefore, updates such as v3.1.8 can be important even when they do not introduce a massive visual redesign. Improvements in stability, compatibility, performance, user experience, and backend behavior can make a significant difference to everyday users. For a tool responsible for managing software, reliability is arguably more important than flashy features. The user experience is one of the areas where Prime Manager can make the biggest impact. Imagine opening a single application and immediately having access to a structured collection of software. Instead of searching the web, opening a terminal, copying commands, and manually checking dependencies, the user can potentially find an application, view its information, and manage it through a graphical workflow. For beginners, this can make Linux feel much less intimidating. For advanced users, it can save time by reducing repetitive tasks. Linux users often appreciate the command line because it is powerful and efficient, but not every task needs to be performed through a terminal. Having both options is one of the strengths of a mature Linux desktop. Another important area is software discovery. One of the challenges Linux faces compared with mainstream operating systems is that software availability can sometimes feel fragmented. A user might know the name of an application but not know where to find it or which installation method is recommended. A manager that organizes applications into categories can make discovery easier. Productivity tools, multimedia applications, development software, graphics programs, communication apps, utilities, and system tools can all be easier to locate when presented in a clear interface. This is especially useful for someone installing Linux for the first time and trying to build a complete working environment. Prime Manager also represents a broader trend within Linux. Over the years, the Linux desktop community has increasingly focused on making the operating system easier for ordinary users. Modern distributions have improved graphical installers, hardware detection, software centers, automatic updates, driver management, and desktop environments. Tools like Prime Manager fit into that larger movement by trying to remove unnecessary friction. The goal is not necessarily to replace the terminal or traditional package managers. Instead, The idea is to give users another layer of convenience while preserving the flexibility that makes Linux attractive in the first place. For experienced Linux users, the real question is whether a tool like this provides enough value to justify adding another layer of software management. Linux enthusiasts often have their preferred package managers and workflows. Some users are perfectly comfortable running commands such as apt, dnf, pacman, zipper, or other distribution-specific tools. Others prefer Flatpak for desktop applications or AppImage for portable software. A centralized manager becomes valuable when it can bring these different experiences together without hiding important information from the user. Transparency matters. Users should ideally understand what is being installed, where it comes from, and how it will be updated. Security is another important consideration. Any application that manages software deserves careful attention because package installation involves trust. Users should always consider the source of applications, repository integrity, permissions, and update mechanisms. A good software manager should make it clear where packages come from and avoid encouraging users to install questionable software simply because it is convenient. The best Linux tools combine simplicity with transparency, allowing beginners to enjoy an easy experience while giving advanced users enough information to make informed decisions. Performance is also crucial. A software manager should not consume excessive system resources or take a long time to launch. Linux is often chosen because it can run efficiently on a wide variety of hardware, including older machines. If Prime Manager can provide a modern graphical experience without becoming unnecessarily heavy, that could make it more attractive to a wider audience. Responsiveness, fast searches, reliable downloads, and clear progress indicators all contribute to the feeling that the operating system is working with you rather than against you. Another potential advantage is consistency. Linux distributions can look and behave very differently, but users increasingly expect modern software tools to offer familiar experiences. A clean interface, understandable menus, search functionality, application descriptions, and straightforward update controls can make Linux feel more approachable. Prime Manager can be viewed as part of this effort to create a smoother bridge between the traditional Linux philosophy and the expectations of modern desktop users. Of course, no software manager is perfect, and the success of LinuxHub Prime v3.1.8 ultimately depends on how well it works across different systems and distributions. Compatibility, package availability, update reliability, and integration with existing Linux tools are all important factors. Users should also remember that Linux is highly diverse, meaning a tool that works perfectly on one distribution may behave differently on another. This diversity is both a strength and a challenge for projects trying to create universal management solutions. What makes LinuxHub Prime v3.1.8 and Prime Manager interesting is the larger question it raises about the future of Linux desktop computing. Can Linux remain powerful and customizable while becoming easier for everyone to use? The answer may be found in tools that hide unnecessary complexity without taking away user control. The best Linux experience is not necessarily one that forces every user to learn the terminal, nor is it one that completely hides the underlying system. Instead, it should allow beginners to start simply and give advanced users the freedom to go deeper whenever they want. Overall, LinuxHub Prime v3.1.8 is an interesting example of the continuing evolution of Linux software management. Whether you are a complete beginner, a longtime Linux enthusiast, or someone curious about switching from another operating system, Prime Manager represents the kind of tool that could make everyday Linux tasks more approachable. Its importance is not only about installing applications. It is about improving the overall experience of discovering, managing, and maintaining software in a Linux environment. As Linux continues to grow across desktops, laptops, workstations, servers, and specialized devices, tools that improve usability will become increasingly important. Linux already has enormous technical power, but accessibility is just as important if the platform wants to reach more people. LinuxHub Prime v3.1.8 and Prime Manager fit into that ongoing journey. The real test is how effectively they combine convenience, performance, compatibility, security, and user control. If those elements come together successfully, tools like Prime Manager could help make Linux feel less complicated without sacrificing the freedom that makes it special. And that is ultimately what makes LinuxHub Prime v3.1.8 worth watching. It represents another step toward a Linux desktop that is powerful enough for experts, yet welcoming enough for everyone else.